Hey guys, I'm back and I want to do a small unboxing. I just came back from school and yeah, my package for roleplay costumes arrived and it's in cosplay from an anime I really liked and yeah, I'm excited to show you. So the anime I'm talking about is Wonder Egg Priority. Maybe I will put in a picture for you. And yeah, I got Ooto's cosplay and we start with the wig. It always comes with a small wig cap and yeah, we will open it now. So that's the wig out of the packaging. It's a dark blue. It's a little lighter than on camera. And it's pretty thick and it looks really good. It has a black wig cap, which is good because we would see the light one through the weft easily. So yeah, that's the wig. Of course, it's unstyled. I will style it off camera, and yeah, you will see that probably on my Instagram. Now to the cosplay. I ordered in size M, or better, I got size M. This haul is sponsored, and if you use my code 9s, you get some money off if you order from them. Yeah, and I hope it will fit me. I will show you every piece now. So we start with the biggest item. It's Ooto's sweater, and yeah, it has the sunflower on the front and the little bow on the back, and it's detachable with a pin. And yeah, overall looks pretty good. It's a good quality. It's not like real sweater material. It's a thinner material, but I think that's fine because I sweat a lot in cosplay and I think lots of people do so. After that, her pants. These are kind of sport shorts. They look a little bit small on the waist, but it's stretchable, so I hope it will fit me. And yeah, we will see later. So the last things are the little extras. Ooto wears a hair clip in her hair, and it's a neon yellow one. And this is a real pin, so that's pretty cool. It looks pretty good. And then there are her socks, and yeah, they look pretty good as well. This is not real socks material. It's, I think, polyester, but I think that's okay. They will not tear it easily. Sorry for the mistakes. And yeah, now I will put it on. Except for the wig, I will style that later, and you'll see that on my Instagram, as I said before. And yeah, we'll see if it fits me. As you can see, this is the cosplay. It fits me pretty well. And yeah, it has the right length. There are the socks. And I have to say, if you put on the socks, you should be careful because they could rip. You can see my face. So yeah, that's the unboxing to my Ooto cosplay. And if you want to see the full cosplay, just follow me on Instagram. It's also blue.kitthoge there. And yeah, thank you for watching. I'm sorry for all my mispronunciation. I'm still German. I think I will start making my videos in German. But yeah, I hope you had fun and leave a review. And yeah, thank you.